Is the Insta360 X5 really a game changer or just a shinier version of the X4? That's what every 360 cam fan is wondering. Yes, the X5 is finally here with new features and a sleek look, but does it actually matter when you're clinging to a cliff, chasing your dog, or filming your latest kitchen disaster? Today, we're diving into the real-world showdown. Image quality, durability, battery life, app quirks, you name it. Let's settle the X5 versus X4 debate once and for all. Let's kick things off with the headline feature, 8K video at 30 frames per second. Now, before you say, wait, didn't the X4 already do 8K? Hear me out. The X5 is packing dual 1x1, 0.28-inch sensors, which are way larger than what the X4 offers. Translation: low light performance that doesn't suck. If you've ever filmed at sunset in a dimly lit room or during a late-night adventure, you know the struggle. Grainy footage, washed-out highlights. The X5 brings a new, pure video mode powered by AAA eye chips. Fancy tech talk aside, it just means your videos look clean and sharp, even in terrible lighting. See what we mean? The X4 is good, but the X5 takes it up a notch. But here's the thing. Do we really need 8K? If you're just posting to TikTok or YouTube, 5.7K is more than enough. The real benefit is when you start reframing. Higher resolution in 360 means when you punch into specific angles, let's say you're zooming in on a trail or that killer wave, everything stays super sharp. The Insta360 X4 offers impressive video capabilities, including 5.7K resolution at 60 frames per second and 4K at 100 frames per second, making it an excellent choice for capturing smooth, slow-motion action. On the other hand, the Insta360 X5 raises the bar with 8K resolution at 30 frames per second, super sampled from an incredible 11K, providing unmatched visual detail. While the X4's higher frame rates cater to fast-paced filming, the X5 takes the lead in overall clarity, making it a standout option for those seeking the sharpest footage possible. Physically, not much has changed. Both are rugged, tall, and, let's be honest, kinda chunky. But the X5 finally gives us replaceable lenses. Got a scratch? No problem, just swap it out. Trust me, if you've ever banged your camera during a shoot, this alone is worth celebrating. Both are waterproof, but the X5 edges out with a 49-foot rating versus the X4's 33 feet. For casual users, not a huge deal. But if you're diving or into underwater vlogging, hey, Jacques Cousteau wannabes, that extra depth matters. Now, audio. Insta360 has never been the king of sound, but with the X5, they've added multi-layer wind guards and new audio algorithms. The result? Wind doesn't completely disappear, but your voice is noticeably clearer. Perfect for those breezy beach vlogs or downhill bike rides. Now, let's talk about what everyone hates: batteries. The X5 uses a new 2,400 mAh battery, giving you up to 185 minutes in power-saving mode. That's cool, but here's the kicker. It's not compatible with X4 batteries. Ouch. For upgraders, that's annoying. But Insta360 does throw us a bone. Fast charging. 80% in just 20 minutes. That's a lifesaver when you're out in the field. The Insta360 app remains the same for both the X4 and X5. Intuitive and powerful, but not without flaws. X5 users have noticed small bugs like grayed out features and unlabeled icons. Insta360, please fix this. A new perk? Instaframe mode. Record a reframable 360-degree clip and a flat video simultaneously. Super handy. The X5 is priced at $550, while the X4 sits at $425. But beware, X5 batteries and accessories aren't compatible with the X4, so factor that into your upgrade decision. If the X4 still meets your needs, you're not missing out. But if low light performance, audio quality, and sharper video are must-haves, the X5 is worth it. X5 or X4? What's your pick? Drop it in the comments. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.